In our previous video, we were discussing about Asia, and in Asia, we have discussed up to China. Now, I will start from Japan. As my previous video, whenever I was discussing countries and their capital and coastal region, I have discussed Japan comprise four Iceland, Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. So you have to know Japan has least reserve of coal, and basically it power dependency for hydroelectrical power, and for coal it depends on import. So majorly source of power in Japan, that is hydroelectric power. As you see, Japan is a small country, but it is highly developed and it is major economy of world. Because uh, basically Japan focused on technical, was Japan basically based on technical education. That's why Japan is highly technically advanced. Here you can see Tokyo basically second largest city of world, and also it is capital of world and most populous city of Japan. And in Tokyo, development of electrical industries. In south of Tokyo, you can see Nagoya. Nagoya is situating here, which is also seaport of Japan, and basically Nagoya called as Detroit of Japan because of highly development automobile sector. Then you can see Osaka in south of Nagoya. Osaka basically coastal city of Japan. Their highly development of shipyard industries, and also it called as Manchester of Japan because of highly development of textile industries. One another important city which is situated in north of Osaka, that is Kyoto. Kyoto basically ancient capital of Japan, and in Kyoto handicraft industries are highly developed, and due to handicraft industries it world famous for handicraft. Now, as I discussed, it is East China Sea, this South China Sea. South China Sea basically disputed sea between China and other countries because some Iceland are situated there. There China claim for own dominance. Here in South China Sea, you can see one river originating from Tibetan Plateau and flows into many countries, which is Mekong, and also it makes political boundary between some countries, which is Mekong. This river is Mekong. Mekong basically originating from Tibetan highland. Also I have discussed Tibetan highland in my previous video, and it lies on South China Sea and Gulf of Thailand. Basically, it is the longest river of Southeast Asia, and Mekong Basin majorly used for rice cultivation. In delta region of Mekong River, you can see two cities are situated, which is Phnom Penh, which is Cambodia capital, and Ho Chi Minh City, which is major city of Vietnam. In Ho Chi Minh City, food processing industry is highly developed, and it is one city of Vietnam, as I said, and Hanoi is capital of Vietnam. Development of many industries in Hanoi. Now I will discuss Mekong River as a physical boundary between some countries. Here you can see, firstly, Mekong River make physical boundary between Laos and Myanmar, then Laos and Thailand. So these are country where Mekong River is making boundary between physical boundary between countries. Here you can see Laos. Laos is only one country which is landlocked in South Asia region. So now I will discuss some facts about Thailand. Thailand basically is one country which was never colonized by Europeans. Secondly, Thailand is land for white elephant, and Thailand also known as rice ball of Southeast Asia. In Thailand you can see one river which is Chao Phraya, and Chao Phraya basically lies on Gulf of Thailand and delta region of Chao Phraya river. It is Chao Phraya river. And in delta region of Chao Phraya river, Bangkok city is situated, which is also capital of Thailand and industrial city of Thailand. Here you can see Indonesia, and in Indonesia you can see Java Island. Java Island is here. Java Island basically totally situated in southern hemisphere, and it is Sumatra. Sumatra Island basically situated in both southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere, because from here equator is passing. In Java, capital of Indonesia is situated, which is Jakarta, and in Java most peasant population of Indonesia which are living there. Third, in Java Island, variety of industries developed there. In Sumatra, basically surrounding of Sumatra, large scale of oil reserve, that's why oil refineries situated in Sumatra coastal region, and also chemical and fertilizer in industries are developed there. In Malaysia, you can see one city of Malaysia here, which is Sarawak, which is, if it is Malaysia, here you can see one country which is Sarawak. Sarawak basically um, famous for 90% pepper production, black pepper production. That's why it is that's why it is important city of Malaysia. And here you can see Ipoh city of Malaysia, basically situated in Kinta Valley. So in your exam, a question can be asked, where is Kinta Valley? Kinta Valley situated in Malaysia. As I discussed in my previous video, I have discussed here state of Malacca, state of Johor. If you don't know, you can go and watch my previous video. Here you can see Isthmus of Kara is situated. Isthmus of Kara. Isthmus of Kara is like man-made canal, and that's why it is called as isthmus. And what is isthmus, what is concept behind isthmus, I have discussed whenever I was discussing Panama Canal in North America. So if you don't know, you can go there. And Isthmus of Kara made because to reduce distance between Andaman Sea and Gulf of Thailand. Here you can see Salween River. Salween River is longest river of Myanmar. It originating from Shan Plateau and lies into Gulf of Martadan. This gulf is known as Gulf of Martadan. What is Gulf? What is concept behind Gulf? Difference between Gulf and Bay I have discussed in my first video of when I was discussing North America. So here you can see Salween River. As I said, it is longest river of Myanmar, and this basin region of Myanmar basically used for production of cotton and wheat. But delta region of this river, that means here basin majorly used for rice cultivation. Some facts are important about Myanmar. Myanmar basically country Myanmar also known as country for mountains and rivers. Secondly, Buddha temples are situated in Myanmar, which are called as pagodas. And third is, it is poorest country of Southeast Asia. Here you can see Irrawaddy River, and Irrawaddy River basically originating from Tibetan plateau, uh, and lies on Andaman Sea near delta of Irrawaddy, and it make delta which called as delta of Irrawaddy. And Irrawaddy basically used for same like as an Salween River, majorly used for wheat and cotton cultivation in upper basin of Irrawaddy, and lower basin majorly used for rice cultivation. And near shore of Irrawaddy River, Sitang port is situated. Sitang port is situated, which is principal seaport of Myanmar, and used for exportation of rice, cotton, and wheat. So as I in my previous video also I have discussed about China physically, politically, Hong Kong, Macau. So in this video this is enough. In my next video we will start from Central Asia.